Good morning, South Texas. Hope you had a restful evening. Waking up on this Tuesday morning, we're seeing temperatures very chilly and different compared to yesterday morning. Yesterday, we saw that gradual warm up. We saw that midday cold front, and then temperatures really dropping for the evening hours. They've stayed pretty consistent in the 40s this morning, around 43 degrees at the Corpus Christi International Airport with mostly cloudy skies. Winds are still pretty strong this morning, just like yesterday evening. Winds out of the north around 21 miles per hour. Humidity 32%. So one thing is it's going to be a little bit drier out there. We're not going to be seeing a repeat of yesterday's foggy morning. As we take a look at the temperatures, a little bit cooler though further inland. George West and Beeville in the upper 30s right now, where the feel like temperatures are in the 20s. So if you're in those areas, you really want to make sure you bundle up, especially for the little ones who are going to be waiting out for the bus this morning for school. 32 degrees right at freezing in Rockport this morning, 33 in Port Aransas, and 35 at the Naval Air Station. We are under a wind chill advisory because of these feel like temperatures being in the 20s and 30s. This wind chill advisory is expected to continue until later this morning. However, very high possibility we'll see this continue even tonight. As we take a look at the satellite and radar, we've been seeing a little bit of precipitation here in South Texas so far this morning, mainly coming in from the west. A lot of it is patchy and light, not a big opportunity for some substantial rainfall for us this morning. The majority of rainfall is going to be north of us. Take a look at East Texas. Lufkin is really getting pounded right now with some wintry precipitation mix just north of the Houston-Galveston area. We're seeing this activity even cross over San Antonio as well. So this is going to be some treacherous weather. If you're going to be flying this morning, double check on your flight out of the Corpus Christi International Airport. Those temperatures where those areas are though are in the 20s for the most part. 28 degrees in Lufkin, 25 in Waco, 29 in Austin, 33 just a degree above freezing in San Antonio. Now we are under a freeze warning for us today and tonight and tomorrow morning. So any precipitation that does develop does have a slight chance of freezing on contact. Now, most of the freeze activity is expected to be north of the viewing area, but some of our northern counties could see a little bit of sleet, not only later today, but even tomorrow morning. So you want to make sure you tune in. We'll keep you updated on those travel conditions. But as far as this morning, shouldn't see any treacherous weather. Wind speed is still going to be out of the north around 20 miles per hour on average, 15 to 20. Still looking at a cold and windy day for us. Here's a look at the futurecast. You can see some of that precipitation turning into some sleet for George West, Beeville by later tonight around 11 o'clock. So we want to make sure that everyone is aware that tonight you want to make sure that you bring in your four-legged friends, cover your plants and your pipes. John Thomas.